The shell feature generates thin-walled parts, which is common in plastic part design. It creates constant thickness walls from the original geometry. The shell operation is an applied feature and does not require a predefined sketch. First, identify the faces that the shell operation should remove. You can add one or more faces to the selection box. Next, set the wall thickness value. By default, Onshape applies the wall thickness to the inside of the part. Toggle the opposite direction arrow to apply the thickness to the outside of the part. For hollow parts with no outside openings, select the hollow checkbox, then select the part. The shell feature fails to generate when it creates self-intersecting geometry. Adjust the wall thickness as necessary. The order of the shell feature has a profound effect on the part geometry. For instance, this gas tank has mounting tabs to mount the tank to a gas-powered drill. Reorder the shell feature so the tabs are not affected by the shell operation.